our nation's military in our high-speed salute parade pass, 300 knots at 350 feet over the water, United Boeing 777. Now that's gorgeous. If you've been watching today's air show, you've noticed these incredibly fast military jets. Well, there's one thing that we do better than anything else, and that's supersize this air show. This performance you're going to watch today is the only professionally choreographed air show demonstration of its kind in the world of a jetliner. This is our off-the-shelf Boeing 777. In fact, it was used on a scheduled flight yesterday morning from Taipei to San Francisco. If you happen to be going to Newark, New Jersey Sunday evening, this is your airplane. If you just joined us, United extends a special welcome to our honored guests, customers, and clients enjoying our performance at United's corporate chalet on the Marina Green. We thank you for helping make United Airlines the largest airline operating out of the San Francisco Bay Area. We are proud of having served the Bay Area for over 90 years. Being California's global airline is in our DNA. Our participation in today's event honors the contributions of the men and women in our United States Armed Forces. Today's flight crew are all military veterans. Today in the left seat, pilot flying, Captain Ty Lutzenheiser. He's a former naval aviator, having flown the A-6 Intruder and the FA-18 Hornet with 2 deployments to Iraq. He was formerly a Boeing test pilot and is now United's chief test pilot for the Boeing 777. In the right seat, pilot monitoring, Captain Randy Abraham, a former flight commander at the United States Air Force Test Pilot School and an instructor evaluator in the T-37 and F-18 aircraft. We're now, for you pilots in the group, you know that we are now on a downwind traffic pattern. We're getting ready for second flyby to demonstrate the slow speed in our landing configuration of the 777. Captain Lutzenheiser is now turning left base. We'll be descending to the final approach course. If you look closely, you're going to notice the landing gear being extended and the flaps 30 to put the aircraft in its landing configuration. We will descend to an altitude of 350 feet at a mere 145 knots. In our slow flyby, the only thing missing in today's flight are our flight attendants safely preparing the cabin for a landing. Ladies and gentlemen, in our landing configuration, the Boeing United 777-300ER. Notice the 5 cabin doors on this side of the airplane. That separates it from the other 777s in that this is the ER extended operation version up to 8,000 miles. Power up, pitch up, landing gear up, flaps up. As we now prepare the airplane for our flyby with a demonstration of our maximum rate of climb in our Boeing 777. United is proud of the effort of our over 88,000 employees worldwide that work tirelessly every day to bring you one of the safest airline travel experiences in the world. And today's performance is a tribute to that commitment. Although the Boeing 777 is designed for a group of 2, United has added a safety plan for this demonstration, utilizing the ultimate in crew resource management. Captain John Mullins. Captain Mullins was a former United States Navy test pilot, having flight tested the F-18, and he's currently a United flight test captain based here in San Francisco. Look out now. descending trajectory straight at you as we pass the show center at 500 feet and 190 knots. Captain Watson will give you a maximum pitch up with a climbing turn out over the Presidio, giving you a sense of scale and performance of this huge airplane. Entering the show box, pitch down, accelerating. Magnificent. The Boeing 777 in all its glory. United Airlines. 30-degree pitch up, very unusual in this airplane. With a climbing right turn. Accelerating to 300 knots at 350 feet over the water. We call this our high-speed banana pass. Don't ask me why. Graceful, majestic. The United Boeing 777.
Rob had one slip before we left.
This year has been a challenge for all of us. United together, we have risen up to meet that challenge as United.
Everyone else in the room knew.
In bringing the first batch of Pfizer and BioNTech's COVID-19 vaccine into the United States, and our continued effort in transporting over 80 million pounds of needed medical supplies to communities who need them within the past year. United is proud to have been the launch customer in 1995 for the Boeing 777. It's the world's first airliner designed entirely with computer-aided technology and is the first to utilize true fly-by-wire air traffic control, weighing in at a maximum gross weight of 750,000 pounds. The 777 is the world's best-selling wide body of all time. Approaching Alcatraz, 1,200 feet. As we prepare for our final pass overhead, I wish to extend a heartfelt thank you directly to the men and women of our United States military. United is privileged to have thousands of veterans and active duty service members among our employee ranks, and we are grateful for the tremendous contributions that they have made both to United, but more importantly, to our country. Their training, dedication, and professionalism contribute to the proud heritage of United Airlines. Ladies and gentlemen, we salute you.